Good morning. Today we're in Sarasota, Florida at Ken Thompson Parkway, Mote Marine Aquarium's area, and we're just south of Longboat Key, and we are going to explore the food truck rally. Beautiful Soul Jewelry sells all kinds of jewelry, bracelets, necklaces. Bathfitter.com, 888-277-2617. Here we have dresses, polarized sunglasses, and here we have paintings and all kinds of purses. And here we have t-shirts and refrigerator magnets and pens and pencils. Here we have more shirts and coats, jewelry here. reggaeandthings.com. And here we have fanny packs. My Goddess Designs, all kinds of decorative objects. World famous Wheaties. And here we have dresses, one-stop hats. Look at all those cowboy hats, ladies' hats, all kinds of hats. Royal Farms USA Premium CBD products. Craft Body Scan, scanning people with cancer, for cancer. Yeah, true. The Great American Quesadilla Company sells drinks, teas, and all kinds of drinks. Costa sunglasses. Let's Be Frank hot dogs. Burger Boys hunger management. The tropical menu. They have hot dogs, they have shrimp, they have French fries, burgers, steaks. London Chippy, we cater. Call us at 202-341-5502. South Florida's best frozen lemonade. Look at all the flavors. Sabroso sauce. Burgers, tacos, salads, and fritters. Pina colada drinks. Frozen drinks. Seafood. Jambalaya, Cajun, Creole, grilled and fried. Grandma's chocolate chip cookies. Ice cold milk, coffee, water. New Jersey's Vagabond. All kinds of burgers, fries, and tacos. Funnel cakes. Fried Oreos. Katie's funnel cakes. Try one of Katie's.